Do you also receive regular payments via Razorpay or any other payment gateway and want to send instant confirmation SMS to your customers? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how you can send instant thank you SMS to customers after payment. So I'm using Razorpay as my payment gateway for my online store, and my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new payment, then automatically and instantly using the customer details, it should send a personalized thank you SMS to my customer via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Razorpay with my Twilio account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can send instant custom SMS to your customers when you are going to receive a new payment through Razorpay. That means a new order in your e-commerce store. Alright, so now here before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works for my business. So here on my screen you can see my Razorpay payment page where I've already pre-filled some customer details such as first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, pin code and the product. So here we are going to directly make a test payment and see the custom SMS that I'm going to receive on my phone number, as I have added my own phone number in this particular field. Alright, so we're going to make a payment over here. And here you can see the payment is in a test mode. So we're going to select a method as UPI, and here I'm going to add a random UPI ID. Then we're going to make a test payment. And here you can see we have successfully made a payment using our Razorpay payment page. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. Alright, so here you can see the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi demo, thank you for shopping with us. Your payment has been received successfully. We appreciate your trust in our skincare products. Alright, so here you can see the custom SMS that we have sent to our customer with the customer's name and a thank you message to our customer. So here my SMS contains a statement that says sent from your Twilio trial account, because here I've used a trial account. But if you're using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statements. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation for your own business to automatically send personalized SMS to your customers instantly after receiving a successful payment. Alright, so now here to build this automation we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that we're going to click on this create workflow button, and then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So then I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send instant thank you SMS to customers after payment. And then he's asking me to select the folder. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the folders available with different names over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. But trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that we are receiving new payments through Razorpay. So we're going to select our trigger as Razorpay and our payment as payment captured. Then we're going to click on this connect, and here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and here to set up a webhook inside my Razorpay account, we are going to click on this developers option from the left side bar. Now here under this developers, we are going to select the option for webhooks, and then here we are going to add a new webhook. Then a webhook setup dialog box appeared in front of us. So here for the webhook URL, we are going to add the URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow. Then here the secret is not required field, so we're going to leave it blank. And for the active events, we are going to select the similar trigger event, that is payment captured. Then we're going to click on this create webhook, and you can see it says webhook saved successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Razorpay, and we have successfully connected our account with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we are going to make a test payment using our Razorpay payment page once again. So for that, let me take you back to my payment page. Here I'm going to refresh it, and now again here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test payment. So for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number for now. Then we're going to move forward. Here you can see the street address, city, state and the pin code. Then for the product name, we are going to select the product from the drop down, and then we are going to make a test payment once again. So we're going to select the method as UPI. Here we are going to add the UPI ID, and then we are going to make the payment. And here you can see we have successfully made a payment using our Razorpay payment page. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the UPI ID. Here you can see the status of the payment. Here you can see the order ID, street address, state name, product name and some other details of the customers as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new payment to our Razorpay, then automatically and instantly using the customer details, I want to send an instant thank you personalized SMS to my customer via Twilio. So Twilio is a SMS sending application, so I'm going to use that, but you can use another SMS sending application as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Twilio and the app event as send SMS message. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to add the SID, authorization token and account SID once again. So now here to get these details, let me take you to my Twilio console window. So this is my Twilio console, and here you can see under account info we have received the account SID, authorization token and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy both of these details and add in my Pabbly's workflow. So let me do that. Alright, so here I've successfully added the details, and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. keyword. Here it is asking me to add the body of the SMS. So in this field, I need to enter the body of the SMS that I want to send to my customer whenever I'm going to receive a new payment through my Razorpay. So let me add a SMS body. Alright, so here I've successfully entered the body that says, "Hi customer name. Thank you for shopping with us. Your payment has been received successfully. We appreciate your trust in our skincare products." So this is a very small message, and here I've added my customer name as well to make it look more personalized. So now here, instead of entering this customer name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new payment to my Razorpay, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. Alright, so here for the customer name, we are going to map my customer's first name, that is Test. So this is my customer's first name, and then here's asking for the sender number. So in this sender number, I'm going to add my Twilio phone number that I've received in my Twilio console window. So let me add the number. Alright, so I've successfully added the number, and then here's asking for the recipient number. So I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this message. So again, here I'm going to map my customer's phone number that I have received. So this is my customer's phone number. So now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original phone number so that I can receive an SMS for this automation. And then I can show you the screenshot of that particular SMS that I'm going to receive on my phone number. So let me add my own number. Alright, so I've successfully added my own number as well. So we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received an instant successful response. That means we have successfully sent an SMS on my phone number. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. Alright, so this is the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says, "Sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi Test. Thank you for shopping with us. Your payment has been received successfully. We appreciate your trust in our skincare products." Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Razorpay and an action as Twilio, that is SMS sending application. So that when you're going to receive a new payment to our Razorpay, then automatically and instantly using the customer details, it is going to send an instant customized thank you SMS to our customer via Twilio. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send instant thank you SMS to customers after payment. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.